Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am making easy and simple vegetable macaroni. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Take 5 to 6 cups of water in any utensils, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, and let it boil. Add macaroni into it and cook for 10 to 12 minutes or till the macaroni is fully cooked. Drain them and pour cold water to slow down the cooking process. In a wok, add oil, ginger garlic paste, and saute for a minute till they turn golden. Add cabbage, stir, carrot, capsicum, soy sauce, vinegar, and mix it. Add hot and soy spices with 2 tablespoons of water. Stir. Add ketchup. You can use chili garlic sauce. Mix. It's ready. So it's ready to serve. I hope you like the video. If you do, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.